Welcome back to another Care & Co tutorial. The requests have been pouring in for a beaded flower tutorial, and we are so pleased to bring you this one. In today's tutorial, we'll teach you the concept of how to make a beaded flower, show you some inspiration for bead combinations you can put together, and even get you started with examples of what you can make using your newfound technique. So grab that coffee and let's get into it. Silicone is an ideal product for beaded flowers because the beads contract and squish as you pull them tightly. This makes assembling a ring of flower petals easier, but most importantly, secure. Regardless of what beads you choose, the technique stays the same. Say you want to pair saucers and a round bead in the middle? No problem. Maybe rounds on the outside and a hexagon in the middle? Sure, why not? The products you choose will make your flower even more unique. As long as you scale your supplies to accommodate for the different bead widths, you can make a silicone beaded flower with almost any standard bead. For our example flower, we have used the following supplies: 13 14mm abacus silicone beads, one 19mm round silicone bead, a 60-inch nylon cord, we have a crafting needle, a lighter, scissors, and pliers. Alright, to start, thread on the beads you've chosen to form the petal of your flower. Tie a tight double knot. The tighter you pull your knot, the rounder your flower will be. Thread a crafting needle onto one side of your cords. Push your needle through a neighboring bead. You may need pliers to help you out. Carefully pull on your working end to pull your double knot into the next bead. Doing this will hide your knot and also secure it within that bead. Taking the other string coming from your double knot, thread on your center bead. This will fill in the middle of your flower, so be sure you have a size that fits well. Place your bead in the middle of the flower by pulling the cord up and placing it between two beads on the opposite side of the beaded petals. Pull tightly to help the cord fall deeper between those beads. Thread your needle onto this working cord and insert it down into the next two beads. Take your other cord and thread it onto your needle. Take the needle and insert it up into the next beads. This step aims to bring your cords together, so adjust the number of beads for the number of beads needed for your flower. After your cords have been brought together, tie a tight double knot. This knot secures your center bead. Thread your crafting needle and insert it up into the beads beside the knot, pulling the knot into the center of the bead it was beside. This hides and secures your knot in the interior of a bead. To hide the loose ends of string, simply thread them onto your needle and pass them through 2 to 3 beads on each side of your double knot. Trim the ends and fuse them to avoid any fraying. This flower technique can be applied to a ton of different crafts. Looking to make a keychain? No problem. Add your keychain ring onto your strand before trying your first bead ring. Looking to make a pacifier clip? Simply incorporate this design into the middle of your clip assembly. How about a teething toy? Start off your design with a flower and close off the loop for a baby-approved handle. There are so many options. We hope you've enjoyed learning this technique with us and hope that you try it out for yourself. Make sure you check out more videos and tutorials on our YouTube channel or head to our website caresupply.com for even more inspiration. Happy crafting!